Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to insert image from Google Drive on Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To insert image from Google Drive on Google Docs, open your Google Docs and open the file. I have opened a file in Google Docs, and then place your cursor where you want to insert the image. Next, open another tab and I'm going to open the Google Drive. First, I need to upload an image here. I'm going to upload an image. I'm going to upload this image on my Google Drive. Upload finish. Just reload. This is the image. I have to insert this image on my Google Docs. Now go to Google Docs and click on insert, go to image and then go to drive. Now click on drive here and you will find the image here. Just select the image and click on insert. Look, the image has been inserted in my Google Doc from Google Drive. Now you can resize the image as you wish. I am going to resize it, and you can change the alignment. I am changing the alignment to left. This is the easiest way to insert image from Google Drive in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.